Yep, I'm recording. So that's 1,000? 500. Now you're going to crank up the sub spindle. Okay, and that's at 500?
Yeah.
Can you crank?
I'm going to stay on this one because then I don't have type so much.
Okay.
Let's just go ramp up. Let's go to 1,000.
Okay, so that's the main one.
Oh, they both go up?
Did they both go up?
I think they did.
They did. They both went up. Okay. Now what are you at?
2,000.
Okay, and I think max is 4,500. I think, or 4,000, something like that.
3,000.
There you go. Now you're going to ramp them back down.
2,000.
There we go. Zero. Good job. All right, thank you. I'm just going to take some.
I don't know if that. You want that?
No, I'm just going to take some general video of it. And well, if you can rotate the turret, that'd be great.
Might stop the video while we fumble through it.